So, my food business, something that I've worked on for the past couple of months. After months and months of hard work, literal blood, sweat, and tears building this business, building this food business, which by the way is called 88 Walk. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook. Check out our menu, coming to your city soon. This business that I've invested a lot of time and money and effort, and again, blood, sweat, and tears on, this business is failing. Pero, porket bumabagsak, bibitaw na ba tayo? Yun na ba yun? Pagkatapos sa ilang buwan, susuko na tayo? Siyempre hindi! Guys, in this video, I will show you how I plan to revive this failing business using mga diskarte na natutunan ko throughout my entrepreneurial journey. Pero seryoso, hindi naman lahat to siguradong gagana. Pero gusto ko pakita sa inyo yung strategies na i-deploy ko para ma-revive itong negosyong to. At para maging interesting yung video, lalagyan natin ng goal. And that goal is, bibigyan ko yung sarili ko ng maximum of 60 days para palakihin tong negosyong to. To the point na kaya niyang mag-generate ng 50,000 pesos worth of revenue sa isang linggo lang. Ngayon tatanungin mo ako, wait lang, parang ang liit lang nun para sa negosyo ah. Pwes, kung dumating ako doon before 60 days, edi tataasan natin yung goal. Guys, first venture ko to pagdating sa food businesses because all my life, this entire time, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, sobrang hirap magnegosyo ng pagkain, ng restaurant, ng kainan. Food is probably the most difficult business you can partake in, specifically dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi tingnan nyo naman kung gaano karaming masasarap na lugar, gaano karaming budget ang nilalaan ng mga Pilipino para sa pagkain, which can be a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing because syempre may market ka, but also it's a bad thing kasi ang daming magagaling sa atin magluto, magnegosyo pagdating sa pagkain. Anyway, gusto kong pakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga strategies na gusto kong gawin para ma-recover or ma-revive itong negosyong to. Sorry kung medyo magulo yung video kasi naglilipat pa kami as of now. Diskarte fam, medyo magulo pa yung kwarto. But, so ang unang strategy is, everyone knows how important the location is, how much the location drives production, branding, and everything. So guys, habang in-edit ko to, na-realize ko na hindi ko pala na-mention, there is no other reason kung bakit bumabagsak yung business besides location. Yung food namin, sobrang ganda ng reception. May mga fans na kami sa BF, may mga regular customers na kami sa BF. Yung serving size namin, ang dami nagko-comment na okay na okay. The only problem really is the location. Medyo hindi naging okay yung location namin. Let's just say hindi siya okay to the point na hindi kami makapag-list sa Grab or sa Foodpanda, which is very important when you want to open a food business right now. So yun. Back to the video. At ito nga pala yung gagawin natin today. So, I'll bring you along. Diskarte number 2. Hindi ko sure kung nababasa yung hieroglyphics ko. But, optimize or automate marketing. Meron ako recently na-encounter na app. And they reached out to me to see if I was interested in working with them. And it just so happened that I am very interested with working with them because they have an app which automates chat and also helps out with advertising, with Facebook advertising, with optimizing Facebook advertising. So we're gonna use that. And then strategy number 3 is go all in on user-generated content. Incentivize users, incentivize customers, incentivize all the food vloggers on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, omni-channel. But I wanna go all in, double in, triple in, quadruple in on UGC or user-generated content. Okay, so yun, medyo pumped up na ako. 50,000 pesos ang goal. 60 days, medyo mahaba yung timeline. But I want to point out na ginagawa ko lang to on the side. Ang dami ko pa ginagawa besides this. So I guess the strategy will change as we go on. But the point is, gusto ko kayong isama sa journey na to. Gusto kong makita nyo kung ano ba talaga ang nangyayari behind the scenes when it comes to building and sustaining and growing a food business. And with that, punta na tayo sa 88 Walk. Ngayon papakita ko sa inyo yung place at tayo ay ililipat na natin to sa Makati.
Alright guys, so this is 88 Walk. Okay, so ayan siya. Maliit lang siya sa loob, pero pack na pack. Okay, 88 Walk BF, calling it a day. So yun. Maraming salamat, BF Homes. Hope to see you ulit pala. Pati na rin yung pinsan mong si BF Resort. If everything goes well in Makati or everything goes well in the next couple of weeks, makakabalik naman kami dito sa BF and also makakapagbukas kami sa BF Resort. Hopefully din sa Quezon City. Tingnan natin kung gumana yung mga gagamitin kong tools, gumana yung mga diskarte na gagawin ko.
And we're back. So, ngayon na na-execute na natin yung plan number 1 or yung strategy number 1, which is to relocate. Kailangan na natin isagawa ang strategy number 2, which is automate or optimize marketing and sales. And ang pinakamadali or accessible na magagawa ko dito is mag-introduce ng chatbot, mag-boost or bumili ng ads on Facebook. And so those two will hopefully blend together and enable us to get customers in Makati. Actually, one big reason why I want to do ads, why I want to boost posts is because bagong location to eh. So we need to make sure that the people in that location know that 88 Walk exists, and once they see or know that we exist, we need to be prepared to answer their questions as fast as you can. Okay, so chatbot. Paano ko gagawin yung chatbot? Meron ng integrated sa si Facebook mismo na pwede nyo nang gawin. Although from my experience, medyo limited siya in terms of what it can do. Medyo hindi rin siya as creative as I want it to be. Walang creative freedom. Wow. At meron ako hinahanap na ginagamit ng ibang bigger brands, which is yung options na pwede mong i-click yung gilid, yung burger menu sa gilid, tapos lalabas na yung options. I'm not sure kung meron nito sa Facebook actually, pero as far as I have tried to find kung meron sila, wala ko nahanap na ganito. At yung mga nahanap ko ng mga apps, mga online apps or mga online integrations na pwede mong gawin sa Facebook, medyo mahal. But then there's this app called Kaojiao. Check them out. That is saying that they are offering this service for free. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang ngayon lang. I'm not too sure, but whenever it's for free, guys, we gotta hop on that boat and utilize and maximize kung ano man yung libre na binibigay nila. So they reached out to me na subukan ko daw yung platform nila, and that is what we're going to do now. In actuality, makikita natin kung paano gamitin, and then maglo-launch tayo ng actual campaign through the platform, and then hopefully umabot ako bago ko i-publish to kung may results na. Kung wala, maybe we'll have to do it on another video. Pero huwag natin kakalimutan na ang goal ng lahat ng ginagawa natin is paabutin natin ng 50,000 pesos worth of sales in just 1 week ang 88 Walk. But anyways, let's get to it. kaojiao.com/ph. Okay, so meron ditong tutorial, pwede ka na mag-sign in directly, but I guess ang kailangan natin gawin ay magsimula. I'm gonna sign up initially using Google as I do with any platform. Okay, so mali ako, kailangan talaga mag-login ka with Facebook. I guess that makes sense kasi kailangan mo nga naman i-link yung Facebook mo. Okay, so permissions, select the page you want to collect, boom. And then ito yung pinaka-important, which is connecting the ad account, obviously. Okay, so we are greeted with this page which lets you either manage the page and the auto-response system, which is what we want to do, Kaojiao Live, which I probably won't discuss, and then manage Facebook ads, which we will then do after doing the auto-response system. Which, by the way, okay, so why do I want to optimize click-to-messenger advertising? And simpleng-simple lang siya. It is for the fact that if you advertise and someone clicks the message now button or the message button, that simply means na meron ng buyer's intent. Just an inkling, meaning sobrang konting percentage na willing na silang mag-engage para sa service mo, willing na silang bumili ng product mo. And that is all we need to begin having them go through a sales funnel, slowly building up to the point na bibili na talaga sila. Most people ask, saan nga ba yung location? Saan kayo located? Nagde-deliver ba kayo? Anong menu nyo? Magkano yung ganito? Magkano yung ganyan? Anong bestseller? There's a lot of ways for you to be able to get that sale by just answering questions. So what we're gonna do now is, okay, so I'm gonna click manage. Let us now see if okay ba yung setting up auto-reply. So I can see here na merong auto-replies, inbox setup. So, welcome message and quick reply buttons. Auto-reply. Persistent menu, ito na. Yes! Okay, so ito na talaga yung hinahanap ko because nga, at least sa research ko, nahirapan ako maghanap ng ganito na for free. And then, get started button enabled. Okay, so ito yung get started na parang bot sa mga malalaking companies, mga malalaking brands. So I think ang gagawin natin ngayon is auto-reply and then yung persistent menu. Itong auto-reply kasi, ililipat ko na lang kung ano yung meron ako sa current setup ko ngayon with Facebook, which I can access. Now we're going to do the persistent menu, which you can choose what type of persistent menu you want. URL, item info, contact info. Oh, okay. So you can choose any type of persistent menu. So I think on the persistent menu, just for this exercise, we are going to do the same. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know how this will work. So ang gagawin ko, i-copy paste ko lang for now. Guys, kung meron ako nakakalimutan dito, feel free to comment down below. Tao lang po ako, no? Mag-collaborate tayo at tulungan nyo akong revive to. 50,000 per week, let's go. Save. Let me click save. Alright. Okay, so meron ng persistent menu. Yes. Yes. Menu, please. Where is the image? Okay, nice one. Chel, akit ka dito saglit. Dali mo yung cellphone mo. Mabilis lang. Uy, ano ba? Hi, Mio. Yeah. Ayun, so lumabas na yung get started. Ganito yung lalabas sa kanya. Actually, yung ganda. Okay, so pinitin natin yung get started. Ayun, okay. So ganyan yung itsura ng... okay. So nagdodoble. Nagdodoble yung message kasi nga naka-on pa yung sa meta business ko. So kailangan i-off ko yun. Pero ayan na siya. So may persistent menu sa baba. Tapos meron ding frequently asked questions sa taas ng chat box. So doble, because why not? Ayan, kinlik ko yung menu please. And tignan natin kung lalabas yung menu. Okay, so yun na. Set up na natin yung chatbot. Sobrang sayo ko na meron na akong ganun. Gagawin ko yun for my other business. But now, we need to manage the Facebook ads. Select ad account. Okay, so on the side here nga pala, meron silang special feature, no, na hinighlight nila dun sa deck, which is search interests. I'm not sure kung paano gagamitin to. We'll discover now. Pero apparently, finding interest is a research tool which you can use to optimize your ads. If this works, this is gonna blow my mind because understanding interests and behaviors and optimizing ad spend is top priority whenever you spend for ads. Actually, before ito pala, kailangan natin gumawa ng poster. So, itong graphic na gagawin ko, gusto ko straight to the point. Pag nag-browse yung mga tao, makikita nila na we are now available to customers in Makati. The greatness of our food is now available in Makati. Ngayon, all I need to do is make Canva work, which it won't work. Ako lang ba? Ako lang may problema sa Canva na ganito. Parati nangyayari sa akin to sa Canva eh. Okay guys, hindi ko magaling Canva. Why am I not surprised? Okay guys, so I filmed an entire section on the search interest tools, but apparently I wasn't able to record this entire situation. But you will see here that I put down food and drink, and then you can see the results here. And underneath the results, you'll see how many people have that specific search interest under their interests on Facebook. And we're assuming that if they have that in their interests, then we can use this for targeting, which in this case, Taojiao can apply this directly to the campaign. So if I click apply here, so we are going to craft a campaign by going to the ads manager, and then we are going to create a campaign, and that campaign should be engagement because that's what we're gunning for, the click to messenger ads. Okay, so ngayon na-launch na natin tong campaign. Hopefully, sulit naman yung pera natin dito. Hopefully, tama yung ginawa ko. It is now 11 PM. Bukas gagawin na natin yung strategy number 3, which is maghanap ng mga creators na pwedeng imbitahing kumain ng 88 Wok.
The next day.
Hello, fam! So, it has now been around, I think 17 to 18 hours since nag-post tayo ng boosted post, no? So, ang gusto kong gawin ngayon is to check out kung ano ang nangyari at ano ang results nung binoost nating post. Effective nga ba yung poster? Mas naging interested nga ba ang mga tao? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 17 messages. Pretty good. Kasalanan ko lang is hindi ko pa sila nare-reply lahat agad-agad. But the question is, meron ba tayong orders na natanggap? So what we're gonna do now is we're going to open the messages and see. Okay, so there seems to have been an issue. So nagdodoble yung welcome message, which isn't too much of an issue. Pero nung nag-question mark siya ng menu, hindi nag-reply yung chatbot. Meron ba akong maling ginawa? Let's see the results of the others. So may mga humingi lang ng menu. And hindi na nagfa-follow through. So, it seems like I made a mistake on setting up the automation for this. Okay, fam. So, na-figure out ko na kung bakit hindi nagre-reply yung bot. At yun ay dahil hindi ko pa nasa-set up itong keyword replies. So, kailangan ma-set up natin yung keyword replies. Meaning, pag merong hindi nag-reply ng quick reply buttons natin, or pag hindi pinindot yan, or kahit yung persistent menu, kung talagang tinype talaga nila na pengi ng menu, pwede natin ilagay dito kung ano yung response. So, kunyari, ang keyword natin is menu. Yan. Ika-copy-paste ko yung response ko na galing dito sa inbox. Okay, so I think this is the right time to call it a day for this video. I'm gonna have to do an entirely different video para lang mapakita yung effects nung click-to-messenger advertising na ginawa ko. Plus yung sa pagsasagawa nung strategy or diskarte number 3, which is kumontak ng mga UGCs para gumawa ng videos para sa atin, para gumawa ng content para sa 88 Walk. Ipapakita ko yung effects nun, ipapakita ko yung output nun, yung profit that we will get from all of this on the next video. And so hopefully if you like this video, please do not hesitate to subscribe. Mamahalin ko kayo ng todo. Sisiguraduhin ko na marami kayo matututunan sa mga videos ko moving forward. Hopefully para sa mga dati kong subscribers na enjoy nyo yung this type of content, which is really just doing things instead of giving out lists. And so as I always say at the end of every episode, keep healthy, stay humble, and appreciate the small things. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Still that, see what we've been dealing with. Let's get broad as filthy here. Hate the fact that I wasn't surprised to hear